Hi, I'm Phil Bridges, owner of Straight Arrow Repair. Ever want to know how a repairman fixes things? Well, come with me and I'll show you how I solve problems. Let's make things better together. These are the new Kobalt that Lowe sells Pex cutters. Actually work pretty good. You can tell they've been muddy. So Christina, you might want to this is a good buy for a Pex cutter. None of them last very long, they get dull. But I like it. It has a lock, but you can keep it locked, but nobody ever uses. But it works really well, even on Quest, which Quest is thinner. Alright, now we're Phil Bridges. If you like what you saw, you think it might be helpful to somebody else, push that like button and let other people know what you and I now know. And we'll work together toward making a brighter future. And by the way, we're not Amera-Can'ts, we're Amera-Can'ts. See you next time.